I don't know why you're saying why here. Because I've got a right to be here. Tech reviews.
Yeah, this is my set, my studio.
Share it. In today's video, I share with you a tech video, a comparison. I got a gift for you.
What are we comparing?
Well, AJ, one's for you and one for me.
No way.
That's right.
G7x Mark III.
Yep. 2019, Canon have dropped 2 bombs. Wait.
Can I keep it?
No. We're just going to do a comparison video on it.
It's not really a gift
like,
then, is
hi
it?
Canon. You recognise AJ? He does a lot of videos.
I do.
Can we have some camera gear?
Yeah, please.
Yes, Pete.
Yeah.
Because we like you.
Did they say that?
That's what they said. Let's break down which camera should you go for. Mine versus AJ's.
So this is going to be a totally in-gaff scientific camera comparison.
Where I win.
Which compact camera is best for vlogging? And
it's been a while since I've done any kind of tech review gears, but what I've learned is you just read off the box. I've watched a lot of your content and
hang on.
Hyphen 3 point.
Are these the same camera?
No, mine's better.
Mine says exactly the same.
Right, let's play Snap. Mine has Digic 8.
Snap.
Mine has a 1-inch CMOS sensor.
Snap.
Mine has a 20.1 megapixel.
Snap.
Mine has a 24mm.
24mm lens. Snap.
Mine has an f1.8 to 2.8.
Snap.
Mine has a 7.5 centimeter screen.
Snap.
Mine has picture style.
Every camera's got picture styles. Snap.
What about this one though?
Okay.
Mine has a pop-up viewfinder.
So they're the same camera?
No, they're not, because
mine's
got a pop-up. But
right. Okay, so we're gonna have to put it for a bit more of rigor than just reading the box.
Okay, let's get the cameras out of the box. You know, round one, I would like to say, is all about beauty.
Well, my camera obviously looks best.
There's one thing that the viewers will notice is that my camera is clearly more sophisticated.
But mine has, wait for it, a flip-up touchscreen that articulates through 180 degrees.
Well, AJ, I hear what you're saying.
I've got this ergonomic finger grip and thumb grip on the back.
Oh, like mine?
Ah, wait for it. How about them apples?
That is a super fast flash, AJ.
Thanks.
And I notice yours is off to the left.
Yeah.
It's okay if you're off to the left. However, mine is central.
Watch this.
I wish you hadn't done that.
Mine has a microphone port, 3.5mm TRS jack. How about yours?
Well, where you found that, I've actually found a finder, which
I'd rather have a microphone jack because I want to use external microphones.
All right, so that you can put it on your hot shoe.
No, it's designed that way. So for vlog life, and what's great with not having a cold shoe or hot shoe is that my microphone's free. I can talk into it and then I can interview you.
Thanks.
AJ, Pete.
Hi.
There's only one way to test the audio on the internal microphones. It's obviously to sing a little song.
And you're going to switch between the two?
Yeah.
Okay.
You've got to sing.
This is a microphone test for the G5 Kiss, but also the G7 Kiss Mark III. Kissing your ear, and your ear, it's clear. Canon G5 and G7x
Mark II and III.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I think it's conclusive. The G7X has better audio.
Yeah, and if you think that you're going to nick that song and play it on your videos, copyright claim. Next up is how well do these cameras come out in slow-mo, because you can't do a vlog video nowadays without slow-mo. Slow-mo is the essential part of all B-roll, so we need to test the slow-mo.
Okay, yeah. How are we doing that? Got an idea? Something that's fast.
Yeah, and we'll slow it down. That's the idea.
That's a great
something
idea.
fast
Something
and slow
fast.
it down. Yeah.
Basically, I shoot you with a gun.
And then I shoot you with...
Afterwards,
Okay.
maybe.
So why do I hold both?
You just need to, it's just for testing.
If you hit me in the I will shoot you in the okay, commence the test.
That's the test done.
Do I get to shoot you now?
No!
But next up, we want to see the practicalities of walking around vlogging. Is it the G5x that's the superior vlog cam?
Well, obviously the G7x is going to be the superior vlog cam because it's my one.
Let's go outside and take a look.
Yeah, seems alright out there.
You literally just went outside like that.
Yeah.
Can I do it?
Yeah, have a go.
Weird.
It's alright out there, isn't it? You want to go outside?
It didn't actually work. You do it again?
I don't know what your problem is. Just outside.
Well, let's go then.
Yeah, alright.
Weird.
It's weird, isn't it? I'm vlogging off.
Vlog off.
There's Pete, vlogging his best life.
I am vlogging my best life because I have the more superior camera.
Well, clearly this one's the better one.
Can yours do this? Just turn around so your camera's onto me.
Go.
Yeah, I'm just vlogging my best life. I like to go running. Very often I go out running, and when I run I like to film myself because I'm a big fan of Casey Neistat, and I saw that Casey does a lot of the running, and I do too.
G7x3, clearly going to be better for running your vlog life. Because I too like Casey Neistat, and I like to run and vlog and run, you know, and there's no shakes at all. So obviously this camera's better.
Yeah, I hear what you're saying. I like to do swoosh transitions. How well does yours handle it?
Like that, easy.
Well, you've just swooshed into me.
Yeah.
Can't you be any more creative?
Yeah, watch this.
Well, that's easy, AJ.
You just swooshed into me. But watch this, on the G7X I can zoom in on your face, and when the autofocus finally catches up, and when the autofocus, there we go, the background is slightly blurry.
Bokeh. Here we are looking at the camera, you're looking at us.
Hiya.
Now you're going to look at us from a different view because we didn't prepare an edit.
So it's been conclusive so far in my mind. My camera has the better features, it looks better, has better sound, is better at slow-mo, is better in a vlogging environment, so overall value, this one wins. It's cheaper as well.
It is cheaper, and it's a good job it is cheaper, because you're going to need to buy a bracket now to attach the external microphone. And also you are missing that viewfinder. So if you're somebody that really likes a viewfinder for taking your photos, why are you vlogging?
Yeah, I mean, just
you don't vlog like that.
No one vlogs like that.
No, it's not as cool as I hoped. So why else is it more expensive?
Mine's obviously going to be lighter. Let's feel yours. They're the same weight. I mean, you decide which one's cooler.
The Canon G5.
The Canon G7x Mark III.
Mark II. Yeah, if you want to buy a Canon camera, this is the one to get. Pete told you to. And that brings us to the end of the video where we get to advise you on our random affiliate link of the week.
Oh, it's a good one this week. Have you seen it?
Oh, that's sneaky.
Yeah.
And if you haven't seen it, it's just there.
Yeah.
Go down, have a look at it, click on it.
You're telling him to go down on you?
Well, go down on both of us, just there. We'll be back on Friday where AJ, in his geeky, nerdy way, will show you some helpful tutorial stuff.
Right, just end it. Just end it.
If that's your thing, see you Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hate you.